Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Anne, the home bartender. Today's cocktail is something new and different. I've never tried it before, so let's give you the ingredients for the HaberDasher coming up next. You will need 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca, 1 ounce of creme de cacao, 1½ ounces of bourbon, 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse, 1 ounce of heavy cream. We will garnish with some cocoa and some mint today. All right, I've actually never tried this cocktail before. I saw it on Instagram at Washline Tony, and he saw it on Difford's Guide. So go check out both of those pages. I'll put their info in the description below. We're gonna stir part of this, and we're also gonna shake part of this. So let's start with the stirring, and we will start with 1/4 ounce of Fernet Branca. And then we're going to use 1 ounce of creme de cacao. Next, we'll have 1.5 ounces of bourbon. And then let's stir this down. All right, let's get that into our coupe. Okay, let's set this aside, bring this over and do the second part of the cocktail, which is 1 full ounce of cream and 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse. I'm gonna add my little Hawthorne strainer coil gadget that I just got and a big ice cube so I don't get lots of chips in there. And I'll shake this for a little bit. All right. Now I'm going to just reach in there and grab that out. Get my coupe here. I'm going to float this on top with a double strainer. Let's do a little bit of cocoa on top of that. And a little piece of mint. And that is a HaberDasher. All right, so I've never tried this cocktail before. Today I have a special guest to try it for me. This is my good friend Charlie. Come on up, Charlie. And he's gonna try this cocktail today for us.
I'm so excited. I didn't know I was tasting today. All right. Oh, that's wonderful. Oh,
excellent. I'm going to try it now too.
It's got just a hint of Fernet, so it's not too strong.
Yes, it's very, very good.
Yeah.
I think that you have to really like Fernet to like this cocktail.
True. But to me, it just has the hint of it, so it's not too strong. It's almost like the beginner's ways to get into it.
It doesn't have that licorice, overpowering licorice flavor that Fernet can have. Yep. The bourbon and the chartreuse work really well. That Fernet can be very herbal, and so can the chartreuse. So it does kind of have a little bit of a herbal flavor, but that cream brings it all together, and it just makes it so nice.
Yeah. And I'm a fan of Fernet, so I'm going to love it no matter what. But
excellent.
That's delicious.
I'm so glad that you liked it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Washline Tony, for posting this on your Instagram, and thank you, Charlie, for helping me out today.
I didn't know I was tasting, but I'm very excited.
Good.
Thanks for that.
And we'll see you next Friday for another great cocktail. Be well.